Ifeoma, my daughter, that machine is a marvel. Yes, it has more buttons than my first car.
But an oven does not cook the food. You cook the food. The machine is just your servant.
You do not ask a servant for permission, you tell them what to do.
But you said this dinner for your book club is important. Mrs. Bakari is a food critic for Vanguard. If I ruin the egusi soup...
OiiOii AI automates filmmaking and storytelling from script to screen. Start with 200 credit plus 60 credit daily. Step 1. The scriptwriter polishes your pasted story into a professional script. Step 2. The art director locks in aspect ratio and English dialogue, then create short lists and mood boards. Step 3. The character designer extracts characters like Mama Adeze with full visual description and voice style, fully customizable. Step 4. The scene director builds every set, starting from your core scenes. Step 5. The storyboard artist generates free frame preview in your choosing resolution and model. 5 powerful steps. One seamless journey. Try OiiOii today. Link below. Subscribe, like, and share. Let's dive in. Okay, how was that done? There is an AI tool that is perfect for that. Okay, it is called OiiOii AI. You can see OiiOii AI. You click on it. Okay, OiiOii AI. This is it now. OiiOii.ai. You click on this. Okay, you can see it brings us to this interface. I have registered with my email account already. And you see by the right hand side, I have 47 credit remaining. And it will give you 200 credit when you are starting. And on a daily basis, you have 60 credit on a daily basis. Now, how do we generate that wonderful film and that story using OiiOii AI? You can see the prompt bar here. It says drag, paste an image here to try skill, style, and asset. So you can see the script aspect. That's what I did. I uploaded a script. I had a story and I transformed to script and I uploaded the script here. That's what I did. After uploading it, it automatically takes me to the agent. This is it. Let me open it for you so that you can see very well. Okay, immediately you do that and you click send, it will automatically activate the OiiOii agent. You can see it here, and this is the script I uploaded. And before you know, it takes you through a journey. You can see, okay, you come to the right hand side there. You can see, look at this tool. You select tools. I'm using the and tool. You come to the task if you want to zoom it here, you increase the percentage, then it brings out everything that you want. Then you use the and tool, you bring it here. You can see the journey from my script, from script writing. Let me click on this icon, script. This is the script now. So it upload the script. Let me view it here. Okay, you can see now, scene 1, the invitation, the setting, the characters, Mama Adeze and Ifeoma. You can see how nice it is, well aligned. You can see now it helps you polish this script. Now the next thing that was done by the art director. It's part of the OiiOii agent. It was done by the art director. You can see by the left hand side now, you can see the journey of creating of the settings, aspect ratio, video duration, or whatsoever it asks you to confirm, you confirm, and the art director continues to work on it. You can see now it comes down to character design now. Okay, let's go ahead from script. Now the next thing is role. Now you can see the role. Let me reduce this. You can see here character designer. It helps you design the character automatically. Now for this one, it gave me 2 characters. We have Mama Adeze and we have Ifeoma. You can see how real they are. You can see how cinematic and ultra realistic it is. You see, Mama Adeze, there's a character definition. You can see the character definitions here. And then we have the pictures here. You can decide to replace it. When you just toggle to the picture, you can replace it. And you can also regenerate whatsoever image you want to generate. You can see the full view of the character. You can see e-format here. You can decide to change the character. Ask the OiiOii agent is telling you to confirm if you are satisfied with it. You can see by the left hand side now. You can see the art director here. It comes down here. It tells you what is planning to complete, and you come down here. You see the character designer. You can see I have completed the handoff and character design. So it goes ahead to tell you, to ask you to confirm that this. You can see the character here. Click on details. It will show all this. So this is a fully automated AI storytelling and filmmaking tool. You can see the characters. It can be changed. And from the characters, you go to the scene. I've clicked the scene now. The scene is the environment, the luxury Lagos kitchen. It helps me define based on the script. It's a sophisticated and sun-drenched high-end kitchen in Lagos, where sleek modern design meets traditional warmth. That is it now. That is just it. You can see the environment. It was designed by the scene designer. And the next one that we have is the what? Is the storyboard. I'm clicking the storyboard. You can see this is the storyboard. It will first of all create all the images. From there, it will give you options to animate them. This is the storyboard of the whole story. You can see now. You can see the storyboard. Let us increase it and let's see more of it there. You can see the storyboard. Click on the tools, the hand tool here, and bring it to the center. You can see the storyboard. We have to increase it to see what is there. Let's increase it. We can decide to increase it.
For your book club is important.
Okay, you can see I've already animated some of the storyboard. You can see each storyboard. We have storyboard 1, storyboard 2. This was done by the storyboard.
You are so worried about the temperature.
It was done
You have
by
forgotten
the
to feed
storyboard artist. The storyboard artist. You can see how clean it is, how clear it is. You can see the several storyboards that we have. Then when you are done with that, then you can see you have the option to generate video here, and some of the credit will be gone. You can see now. Click on generate. I've generated this video. That is why you cannot see generate video. And after that, you come to expand here. You can see up here for each storyboard. You come to expand here. You can decide to regenerate. You can trim. You can replace voice. You can download it. Download it here. Okay, if you come to this place, you can choose between you can see the 2 icons here between image and video. The image tells you the storyboard proper. When you've not generated video, you click on the video. You can see the video here. This is it. Okay, you can see
Mrs. Bakari is a food critic for Vanguard.
You can see now. This is just nice. This is nice. And in case of any inconsistency, then you can use the expand tool here. Expand tool here to either replace voice, trim, regenerate. That is it. You can use the expand tool here. You can also okay. That is it. So you can see this is a fully automated AI tool, OiiOii AI, for AI storytelling and filmmaking. AI storytelling and filmmaking. It takes you through several journey. You can see it takes you through a journey. Let's start from the beginning again, from the script writer to the character designer. You can see that design characters, from the scene designer which designed the environment, to the storyboard artist. It helps you to create the image storyboard before you decide to generate video from it. You can see now. This is just it's too good. It's just too good to believe. So you can decide to generate all shots at once. Yeah. Each storyboard is for a shot. You can decide to generate all shots at once if you have a sufficient credit. All shots at once. This is just nice. This is just too good. This is just too good. This is just too good. Because look at the characters now. The character designer. Look at the definitions of the character. Look at the definitions with the options to change the character, to upload the character, and to change whatsoever you want to change. That is just it. That is just it. Aha. So you can see now. That's it. Just click on overview and see that is just the journey, the summary of the journey. By the left hand side, you see the OiiOii agent doing all the work and asking you to confirm if you want. If you want a particular output, if you don't want it, you can modify from that journey. Before you know, you get to the end and you begin to download and generate videos and download your videos. That is it. That is how to use a very powerful AI tool known as OiiOii AI for storytelling and filmmaking. Thank you very much. I want you to please subscribe to my channel and also like and also share. Be the best.